Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Today, guys, I'm trying to bring the vision that I had in my head to reality with a couple of garden changes. I will give you a shot of what the garden looks now, and after the work is complete, I'm going to show you what it looks like after. Okay, so this is what it's looking like now. As you can see, I've been slowly transforming the garden. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this raised bed yet, if I'm gonna clean it out and replace it or not replace it. I'm just not sure yet. But as you can see, things are kind of coming together. But I'm more excited about this new phase that I'm about to do. So I hope you enjoy this video and this garden transformation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that like button so we could get this out to the community so that they could be inspired to want to garden, to get in the garden, or put something in the pot, put something in the soil. All right, you know the motto on the page: each one teach one. It's your Cali Bro J, and stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think of the transformation. All right guys, so this is what it's looking like. This is phase 2 of the project. The sun is out here beating hard, so I'm gonna wrap it up for today. And well, not for today, but I'll wait for the sun to go down and I'll come back out and finish off this section right here, and then this section right here, and then I'll let you see the final results once I'm done with the project. Let me know what you think so far. There we go. As always, you know the motto on the page: each one teach one. It's a Cali Bro J, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.